In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix red eye in GIMP, an essential tutorial for beginners. If you've ever taken a perfect photo only to find red eye staring back at you, don't worry. It's a common issue and can be easily corrected with just a few simple steps in GIMP. So let's get started. First, let's open your image in GIMP. Look closely at the photo and focus on the eyes. We'll need to zoom in for more precision. Use the zoom tool or simply press the plus key on your keyboard to enlarge the area around the eyes. This makes it easier to work on the details of the pupils and ensures that your corrections are spot on. A clear view will help you achieve a better result, so zoom as much as you feel comfortable with and have a good look at those eyes. Now that we have a sharp view of the eyes, it's time to select the area we'll be working on. Select the Ellipse Select Tool from the toolbox, which looks like a dashed circle icon. Carefully draw an ellipse around the pupil of each eye. You don't need to be perfect on your first try. If you need to adjust, you can move the selection until it nicely encompasses the red eye area. This step is crucial, as it tells GIMP where to apply the correction, so take your time and ensure it's correctly set around each pupil. With your selection in place, let's move on to the heart of the correction process. Go to the Colors menu on the top bar and click on Desaturate. This action removes the color from our selected area, turning the red to a neutral gray. Alternatively, if you want more control over the color adjustment, you can choose Hue Saturation from the same Colors menu. Here, you have sliders to adjust the hue, saturation, and lightness to fine-tune the look of the pupil until the red eye disappears. Experiment with these settings and find what works best for your image. Finally, we want to ensure that our changes blend seamlessly into the rest of the image for a natural appearance. To achieve this, we need to feather the edges of our selection. Go back to the Select menu at the top and then to Feather. A dialog box will appear asking for the feather radius. Choosing a value between 2 and 5 pixels generally works well for most photos. This will soften the transition between the original eye color and the adjusted area, providing a smooth, natural look. And that's it. You've removed red eye from your photo with just a few easy steps in GIMP. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to play around with these techniques to better your skills. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and thanks for watching. Happy editing!